Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I haven't taken any time to show you guys a video here lately. I've been super busy, so I'm blessed to say that, but I've got something pretty cool here. Actually got two cool things here. I've got a 2019 Ram Rebel, and I've also got a 2018 Ford F150 Raptor. Both of these trucks are the respective manufacturer's version of off-road vehicle. These are both the most capable half-ton off-road trucks that either manufacturer offers. Starting with this 2019, you know, Ram has revamped their body style for 2019. It's been a complete redo from the front to back. This Rebel here is a really nice piece of equipment. It's the most off-road ready vehicle, like I said, Ram has to offer. This one's a 5.7 liter naturally aspirated V8 putting out 395 horsepower. They come with an 18-inch wheel wrapped in all-terrain rubber to get you wherever you need to go. Interestingly, this truck does not have running boards with it. I actually don't know if it's an option or not, but this truck doesn't have it. While on the other hand, the Raptor does. The big difference that you see on these Rebels is the interior. The interior is the kind of red accent. It looks really good. It pops. It's very sporty. You don't see that in any other kind of vehicle. You can see it's leather. It's kind of a leather wrap with cloth interior. Rebel down the side. You can see the new center stack here. This one's going to have the most updated Uconnect version you can get. Push button start, rotary dial. Even has USB Type-C charging ports down in there. This truck stickers for $53,375 before rebates. You can see there's plenty of room in the back here. Flip these seats up. Flat floor. No transmission hump or anything like that. This one's trail ready. Four-wheel drive, obviously. Axle locker. You can see this really aggressive new hood here. It's got the 1500 Hemi logo right there. Gorgeous truck. So now the other flavor, 2018 F150 Raptor. 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo putting out 450 horsepower. 55 more horsepower than the Rebel for anybody keeping track. These trucks come standard with a 17-inch wheel wrapped in all-terrain rubber there. You can see the heavy-duty running boards that come on these Raptors. Kind of perforated. They look good. While the Rebel is black, this color is what they call lead foot. It's kind of a gray, matte color. You can see the interior. And this Raptor is equally as nice. One big difference you'll see, this one's got the panoramic sunroof. It's the biggest sunroof in this market segment for half-ton trucks. Nice wheel with paddle shifters right here. Talking about the Uconnect on the Ram, this one's got the Sync 3. So Sync 3 is Ford's newest version of their infotainment system. You can see in the back here, flat as well. Tons of room in the back. While our Rebel stickered for $53,000, this truck stickers for $60,000. We're selling these Raptors at MSRP. A lot of these other dealerships are charging $5,000 and $10,000 over the MSRP. We're just charging MSRP. There's no dealer fees and no dock fees here at our dealership. We're located at 625 Garvin Lane in Franklin, Kentucky. We're right off I-65. You can't miss us. Exit 6. If you guys have any questions about either of these trucks, or if we don't have exactly what you're looking for, we can always order you exactly what you want at no additional cost. I'll put my 1-800 number in here where you can give me a shout directly. I'd love to help anybody that's interested, needs some questions answered, or needs to do business. Again, this is Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler. We appreciate y'all's time, and we hope you have a great week. Thanks.